In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find email bot clicks in Klaviyo. This process will help ensure that your email analytics are as accurate as possible by identifying any suspicious click activity. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up Klaviyo. Once on the platform, sign into your account using your usual login credentials. If you don't have a shortcut to access Klaviyo, simply type the URL into your browser's address bar. Once you're signed in, you're well on your way to filtering out those bot activities. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. This is your main navigation hub within Klaviyo, where you'll find various options. We're focusing on either campaigns or flows for this example, as these are the areas most relevant to email activity. Once you've made your selection between campaigns or flows, you'll be presented with a list of emails. It's time to pick the email you're particularly interested in analyzing. Simply click on the specific email and it will take you into a deeper level of analytics specific to that email. This is where you'll start digging for more detailed data. After selecting your email, look for an option that says Show Analytics. Clicking this will open up more comprehensive data about your email's performance. These metrics are essential as they give you a detailed view into how recipients are interacting with your email. While exploring this rich data, find the metric labeled Clicked. This is crucial. It tells you how many times your email's links have been clicked. Clicking on this metric can give you even more insight into who clicked on which links and when. Now, the key to identifying bot activity is examining the behavior closely. Keep an eye out for high click rates that occur within seconds of sending out the email. This is often a red flag for non-human interaction. Another telltale sign of a bot is when multiple clicks originate from the same IP address. Also, examine the pattern of clicks. Unusual behaviors, such as all links being clicked simultaneously, can indicate a bot in action. It's essential to familiarize yourself with these patterns because distinguishing between genuine engagements and bot clicks can provide a clearer picture of how your emails are performing among your audience. Identifying and filtering out these bot clicks will leave you with more reliable data, allowing you to make better informed marketing decisions. That's it. You've successfully navigated through Klaviyo to identify email bot clicks, enhancing the accuracy of your email performance assessments. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to explore further within Klaviyo to refine and optimize your approach. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.